shore at break of day. The ocean called, the sky was gray.
Her voice arose across the tide, a song so strange he stood to hide.
The woman by the sea, she sang alone, her melody a current deep and unknown.
He feared to join, yet longed to be
part of her song, part of the sea. Each morning came the same refrain, her voice like sunlight after rain.
He brought his guitar to the sand, but silence trembled in his hand.
The woman by the sea, she sang alone, her melody a current deep and unknown.
He feared to join, yet longed to be
Part of her song, part of the sea. One day the wind became his guide.
He strummed the chord, no need to hide.
Her eyes met his, the waves stood still.
Two voices rose,
One heart, one will. The woman by the sea, no longer alone.
their harmony a lighthouse, steady and strong.
They say, you don't gotta pay it back. Say, it's overseas, relax. Scrolling facts mixed with fiction. Confidence sounds like conviction. They spread it like truth in comment sections. US laws don't apply, different direction. Company Swedish, so you're safe, right? Sounds clean, sounds simple, sounds airtight. But that's not how the system works. That's not how contracts hurt. You click degree, you cross that line. Jurisdiction doesn't vanish with a different sign. A global company still collects local laws, still enforce that. Your address, your name, your credit file doesn't move to Europe when you swipe. Being foreign doesn't mean untouchable. Being online doesn't make it uncollectible. No free pass, no legal trick. If it's your name, it's your risk. They won't tell you about collection agencies based right here working locally. Won't tell you about charge-offs, credit hits, years written off. Won't tell you civil claims exist or that fraud breaks more than terms of service list. They sell it short for views and clicks. They can't chase you, that's the myth. If it was true, it'd be everywhere. Banks would collapse overnight on fair, but systems don't break from TikTok logic. They're built for scale and cross-border audits. Being foreign doesn't mean immune. Contracts travel faster than rumors do. No free money, no safe excuse. That doesn't care what country's on the news. In foreign, in foreign. International companies operate locally, enforce locally, collect locally. Fraud isn't erased by geography. It's just delayed until reality. Yeah. Modern scams don't look reckless. They sound educated, law adjacent. They borrow language, they bend facts. Leave out details that matter back. Truth is boring, lies are clean. Truth takes time. Lies go viral on the screen. There is no method, no loophole play, no country swap that clears your name. No glitch, no shield, no magic line. Contracts follow credit bind. trust. Comments over contracts, because laws don't disappear just because someone typed it fast.